All right, guys, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show, and today we're just going to make a basic cream cheese frosting or icing filling, however you want to use it, the way I make it. The way I do it in my pumpkin rolls, the way you ice a cake, on red velvet cake, whatever you want to do it in, the carrot cake roll, whatever.
Chocolate rolls, lemon rolls, whatever.
Whatever you want to use cream cheese icing for, this is how I do it, and not everybody does it this way. So I have 3/4 of a stick of butter I'm putting in. Of softened butter. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese. That is room temp. Should be. It's been out for a while. We went to Portsmouth and been gone for a while, and it's been out all that time. Still seems like it's not real soft, but it'll work.
Well, it's only 43 degrees here right now.
And then we're going to put in a teaspoon or so of vanilla. Use your own judgment. We're going to mix that all up together. Give it a little mixy mix. Alright, then I have 3 cups of powdered sugar. Now, when I make this will frost or fill 2 pumpkin rolls. That's how I do it. Now, some people just use 1 block of cream cheese and 1 cup of powdered sugar. I don't like it that way. You're going to have sweets. We're going to have sweets, so...
Yeah, you're not making silos, are you?
I don't want to taste the cream cheese that much. I want some sugar in there. And maybe that's why they like mine so much. They like the filling.
Mm-hmm.
And I get people who want double filling, so I'll just use this whole recipe. And they're willing to pay extra for it because they like it that much. It weighs a lot too.
Yeah, really heavy.
Woo! And then, if you have to thin it down, you just put a little bit of milk in it. We're going everywhere here.
Mm-hmm. All over you.
All over the table. I should have used my deeper bowl, as I always say. But I wanted you to be able to see it here.
Messy cooks are the best.
So here's what we're looking for.
Oh, that looks fantastic.
And I will leave the ingredients in the description box. Not much on this one at all. But just 3 cups powdered sugar, 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 3/4 cup or stick of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And look at that.
That looks perfect.
That's it. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Peace out.